Guys, welcome back to Business Buzz, where we focus on business, entrepreneurship, and investing. Today we're going to be talking about different ways that you can make money while you're laying on your bed sleeping. It sounds amazing, and people all over have gotten rich from making this happen. Before we get started on the number one, make sure you guys leave a like down below because we put a lot of work in these videos. We're very passionate about them, and we hope you're taking something of value from them. So please support our channel by hitting us with a like. Warren Buffett, potentially the most influential investor of all time, once said that if you don't find a way to make money while you sleep, you will work until you die. With that said, we can take advantage of the resources we have now and start making money while we sleep without much work. Number one, investing. Investing is a very broad term, but it's a way that you can build your wealth and compound it year after year after year. You can invest in real estate, you can buy property, and watch the value go up. You can buy stocks, you can invest in certain stocks, or you can invest in index funds. You can learn all about that. There are plenty of resources there online for you to learn more about that. But one of the greatest ways to make money in the stock market, especially when you're talking about while you sleep, is through dividend stocks. These are stocks that when you buy them, not only do you own the stock and it goes up in value, but you also get paid dividends. These usually pay like semi-monthly or twice a year, something like that, and it's literally just cold hard cash that they give you for each share that you own. One of the most commonly known dividend stocks is Coca-Cola. All dividend stocks are different and pay a different yield. Coca-Cola is one of the more popular dividend stocks, but a stock like AT&T pays a really high dividend yield. However, you shouldn't just look at dividend stocks for the dividend yield, you should look at it for the actual company as well. Number two, lending. Lending is a way people have made money for who knows how long. It's the basic principle that you give somebody money and they pay you back your money with interest. Now you can do this in person with people you know, you can sign promissory notes and all that, but there's much easier ways to do it now online through peer-to-peer lending sites. There are sites where there's a lender and a peer, and the lender is offering the money and the peer wants the money. The peer takes the money, uses it for whatever they need, and then pays back the money with interest to the lender, and the lender makes their money back. Now, keep in mind, to lend money, you don't have to necessarily be rich, but you should have a decent amount of capital to be used towards your lending. At least a few tens of thousands of dollars. It will probably do the trick. Number three, renting property. Renting property is another way people have made money for a long time. But now there's even easier ways to do it. You can literally rent out a spare room in your apartment or your house to somebody through Airbnb. It might be kind of awkward to just have somebody else living in your house, but it's just constant money flowing in while you sleep, and you're just getting money from someone being in your house, and it's really not affecting anything. Airbnb is an especially good choice if you live in a touristy, popular city, but if you live out in the middle of nowhere, you can probably still rent out your property. It just might not be as easy on a site like Airbnb. Number four, starting a blog. A blog can be about many different things. It can be about a niche or your personal experiences in life or reviews, whatever you want to make it, which is great because it's really fun to do. And once you have it all set up and people are starting to gain traction to your blog, you can start using ways to make money on it. You can use affiliate marketing, things like that to make money while you sleep. You can also put ads on your blog through Google Ads and make money off that as well. Now keep in mind, this is a very saturated way to make money now. A lot of people have their own blogs and it's kind of tough to make it. However, it is probably the funnest way to do it on here, and why not try it? So thank you guys so much for watching Business Buzz, and make sure you subscribe down below, comment what you want to see in other videos, and hit that like button. Anyway, see you guys in the next video.